Today, I'm going to show you how to make zucchini boats with ground chicken and Italian turkey sausage. Let's go. Where my G's at? This was a bad mamma jamma, y'all. This was as long as my arm, this zucchini. So I cut this bad boy straight down the middle. It is so big, y'all. I believe this is the biggest zucchini I've ever had. So I definitely wanted to start from the base. Hit it with some sea salt. Hit it with some black pepper, then some slap your mama seasoning. Drizzled it with some olive oil, then put it in the oven to get tender. Let's work on the filling now. Ground chicken, is less fat and 8% fat compared to ground beef, right? Nothing wrong with ground beef, but I just wanted to try something lighter today. And this is like 16 ounces, 1 pound. I'm going to put that in there. Then I'm going to put in sweet Italian sausage. So this is sweet Italian sausage from Shady Brook Farm. What you really want to do is take the casing off. You don't want the casing, right? So you just cut the casing. You don't want the casing. You know what I mean? Put the sausage in there. Just like that. Let it brown. I'm going to put some seasoning in here. Slap your mama I'm going to put in here. For I want y'all to see this. Just a little bit, not too much. I don't know about y'all, but I like to clean as I go. You want to put your onions in here. This is about 1 large onion. And then some orange bell peppers. Just to bring some flavor, some color to the dish. You know what I mean? So now it's time to put your seasoning. So I'm going to put some black pepper, fresh ground black pepper. Now remind you, this is ground chicken and sweet turkey sausage that I'm going to stuff the ground pepper, stuff the zucchini with. This is a little bit of, I love this brand of seasonings. It's the Gourmet Collection Spice Blends. I have about every single spice. This is a roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt. I'll leave the link in the description. And, ooh, that smells good. See that? This doesn't render a lot of fat. So you really just want to just chop it up, especially with ground turkey. It's really a healthy way to cook when you're using protein. I like ground beef too, don't get me wrong, but I'm using ground turkey today and some sweet sausage. I like a Sazon. This gives a lot of flavor and it doesn't really have salt in there. It's just like adobo and, it just gives another level of flavor. I'm big on layers of flavor. Layers of flavor is very important to me because if you don't start from the base, if you don't season the base like different layers, like the meat, it's not going to be tasteful. It's just not. And this is my first time really using ground chicken and turkey. So look how healthy it is. It doesn't really have any oil whatsoever. Look at that. It renders a little bit of liquid from the onions and the green peppers, and that's going to help it like cook in with the juices. This really smells good. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh cilantro in here. I'm cutting the you see I'm cutting the cilantro up, y'all. You see that? When you use your knife to cut it up, it releases all the fragrances from the cilantro. You smell that? Oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision, y'all. I really do. Now watch this. Put that in there. because it gives a nice fresh flavor. And it's going to be good in the zucchini, y'all. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, wee. Ain't nothing like fresh herbs. I'm telling you now. This tomato I got from the farmer's market. Look how red that tomato is. That's just so fresh and so sweet. Not sweet, like so ripe. Look how juicy that is, y'all. Look how juicy that is. Look at that. Look at that. Now you want to turn this down because you don't want the turkey to be overcooked. Now watch this. Watch this. Uh-oh. I'm going to take this and put it in here. Just as so. See that? Look how delicious that is, y'all. With the cilantro and the tomato. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm gonna add, y'all? I'm gonna add me some fresh corn. Yes, indeed. What I'm gonna do is take this corn and just cut down. That's what you do. That's what you do. Fresh corn on the cob. You take the cob off. This is raw corn. It's not cooked. It's so juicy, it's just popping. I'm going to take this corn and put it in my dish. The turkey is already done. I just put the corn in there because you don't want corn to be soggy. It's a little bit crunchy. Look how colorful it is with the green. See that? That's going to be the stuffing for the zucchini. Okay? Let me show you the zucchini, y'all. Because I put it in the oven to cook it a little bit before I stuff it. Because it's such a big zucchini, y'all. You know what I mean? I don't want to stuff it and it be all hard. So and plus it was big, so I don't think it was going to turn out right. So let me tell you what I did. I roasted it a little bit. See that? So I'm going to use two types of cheese. I'm going to use the Colby Jack cheese and the mozzarella cheese. That's what I'm going to use to stuff these things, all right? I'm going to put some cheese at the bottom. You don't see a lot of people doing that. It's called layering, okay? Layering. I'm telling you how big this is. This is as big as my arm. I'm telling you, this zucchini is as big as my arm. I'm telling y'all. Y'all don't know how big it is because the camera's so close, but it's big. This is the biggest zucchini you ever saw. So, voila. So this is the stuffing, y'all. We're going to stuff it. See how that look? Corn. Ooh, it smells so sweet. Oh my goodness. Wow. We're going to put the stuffing in here. Just like that. Let's make it pretty now. Let's make it pretty. Let's make it pretty. Let's make it pretty. Now, we're going to put the rest of the cheese on here. We're going to put some more Colby Jack right on the top, just like so. Just like so. And we're going to put some on the top, on this side. We're going to preheat the oven for 375. Look how pretty that is. Mozzarella on top too, okay? But it's so big, it's going to feed the whole family. Wow. When I tell you the way this smells in this kitchen right now, Jesus. Oh my goodness. It's so good. It came out so good, y'all. Listen, if you love this video, please consider subscribing. Let's go. VSGLife.